In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resolve a Google Merchant Center account suspension. We understand how frustrating it can be to find out your account has been suspended, especially when you're eager to manage your online store effectively. Let's walk through the process step by step to get your account back on track. First, you need to identify the reason for the suspension. Start by checking your email inbox or logging into your Google Merchant Center account. Google typically sends a notification highlighting the reason your account was suspended. This message is essential as it provides the initial insights needed to address the issue. Once you know the reason, you're one step closer to resolution. Next, familiarize yourself with the common causes of account suspensions. A prevalent issue involves policy violations, which occur when merchants attempt to sell products that are restricted or prohibited according to Google's policies. Understanding this aspect will allow you to address specific violations you're currently facing. It's crucial at this point to review Google's policies thoroughly. Navigate to the Help section, where you'll find a treasure trove of information under Browse All Articles. Here, you'll want to focus on Get to Know Merchant Center and delve into the Policies and Requirements section. Ensure you read through Google's expectations regarding products, data quality, and your website. Strict adherence to these policies is mandatory to prevent future suspensions. If your website doesn't meet Google's standards, it may also be a contributing factor. To fix this, head over to the Merchant Center and access your business info, click on Details, then your online store, and select Edit Online Store. Ensure your website is functioning properly, is secure by using HTTPS, and displays accurate and current product information. This includes prices, availability, and shipping details. An up-to-date website enhances trust both with Google and your customers. Moving on to your product feed, it's equally important to examine it for accuracy. Double-check all product details, ensuring that prices and availability are correctly stated. Any discrepancies here can lead to misunderstandings and ultimately suspensions. Keeping this information accurate is key to maintaining compliance. After taking the above steps, if you still need assistance, it's time to reach out to Google support. Contacting Google directly can provide you with the detailed help you need that may not be immediately apparent from the suspension notice or policies. The support team can guide you through any remaining confusion and help clarify any details you need to address the issue effectively. And that's it. By following these steps attentively, you should be well equipped to resolve your account suspension and continue using Google Merchant Center smoothly. Thank you for watching today's video, and best of luck in getting your account back in good standing.